Hi everyone. In today's video we are going to show you how to set up and activate an IP camera using SADP tool and how to modify it. SADP stands for Search Active Devices Protocol. It is user-friendly software and installation-free online device search tool. It searches the active online devices within your subnet and displays the information of the devices. You can also modify the basic network information of the devices using this software. So let's begin. SADP or Search Active Device Protocol is a very useful tool designed to activate or modify a Hikvision IP camera. With a PC connected to the same local area network, it allows to manage the network parameters of an IP camera. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time we post a new video.